Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Immich versus Synology Photos 2025. Best self-hosted photo management tool. Let's compare Immich and Synology Photos, two of the best self-hosted photo management tools. Starting with Immich, it's an open source, Google Photo styles platform with powerful AI features like facial recognition, auto tagging, and timeline views. It offers sleek apps for Android and iOS with offline viewing, and it's fully self hosted with no vendor lock in. It's fast, cost effective, and free. Just note, it's still in beta and needs decent hardware and tech know how to set up. On the other hand, Synology Photos is a built in solution for Synology NAS users. It's reliable, easy to use, and great for simple backups and basic AI, but it's limited to Synology devices, has slower performance with large files, and lacks flexibility. So if you prefer control, privacy, and advanced AI, go with Image. But if you want a stable, plug and play solution for your NAS, Synology Photos is a solid pick. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.